Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we bought this Audi A3. It's a 2 litre TDI Sport. Needs a few jobs. It's just going to be a quick flip this car. We'll do a little walk around. I'll show everything that I've found wrong with it. It's been standing for a couple of months. It's run out of MOT. It's a bit noisy. It needs a tensioner or an idler. Needs a few bits tidying up on it. I'll flip you around the other way and I'll go through and show you some stuff wrong with it. So, straight off, it's raining out, so it actually looks a bit nicer than that is. Paid £500 for this. So straight off, we've got a missing fog light. It's down here. Well, we've got both missing fog lights, but we've got a missing fog light trim. So set the fog lights and a trim. We've got peeling, dead comment. I'll take these off. I'll just sand them down and paint them both gloss black. Windows been tinted previously. All the boot trims are missing. I've actually got some of these off another one I've repaired. The windows full of glue, it might have been tinted. So we'll clean that. Might even retint the car. As I said before in previous videos, used to be wrapper and a window tinter, so we can do that ourselves. Tidy the car up a little bit. Needs a good clean. Back brake's pretty badly worn. Might need a set of discs. All in all, it's a good back car. If you look inside, quite low mileage as well for its age. See that, 90,000. Not bad at all. Splitting the door panel, they always split here. You can actually kind of repair them, they come off. So if I can't find one, I might just do some sort of quick repair, maybe rewrap it in leather. Do a lot of video showing how to do that. These wood bits, hate them wood. So I'll wrap them gloss black. So I've still got quite a bit of black gloss wrap left off the BMW roof. Got little chrome mirrors. I think they're only stick-overs, but yeah, just stick-overs. But yeah, it looks alright. I'll show you the video of it running now. It's got a bit. Doesn't sound great, but the engine's nice. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So I'll go over. It's quite noisy when you're next to it. It has got a bouncing pulley, which I thought. I'll get close now and I'll try and point it out so you can see what it actually is. See here? I don't know if you can even make that out on the video. That's not supposed to do that. So, I've changed that, I've actually got. Shut that off. So we got on the dash, we've got a few lights on, engine management light, plug it in and see what that is. We've got a flashing fuel light, it's quite common on these wags. 3/4 tank of fuel, nice, we'll use that. On these, that's just going to be some sort of sensor. That will be a thermostat sensor, pretty common on these older VWs. Now these. Just a common thing that happens on them. So we'll change that sensor as well, we'll get rid of that. Just switch this off, it's noisy. Radio's not fitted, so we'll put it away. I'll probably just wire the radio in. It's a nice radio. Nice doubled in JVC, we'll do that. As I say, it's got all these horrible wood panels, hate them wood panels. Quite a comfy car, it's actually a really clean car to be honest. Actually looks tidy. Tidier than the last one I actually sold. The last one I had was a bit nicer. So, cosmetically, what will we do to the car? As I say, we'll probably black the grille out. Take the grille out and black it out. Just because they look better done. Fog light covers, fog lights, tidy the bottom of the bumper up a little bit. Clean the wheels up. Maybe paint the calipers. Set the rear discs. Got a dent here in the quarter. I'm not going to repair that, it's only a cheap car. Just leave it as it is. Maybe tinter. So I said I'd only pay £500 for this. I'll list it at £16.50 maybe once I've MOT'd it, tidied it up, tinted it. It'll look nice. I say I'll do this just as a little mini series. I'm not really going to make a big series out of doing the car, it's not worth it. but hopefully it'll be a good bit of content that I can just show you different things that we do. These are the sort of things that pay the bills. Yeah, that's it. Little update on the BMW. Still not finished wrapped, as you can see. I've only got a shelter on the cars. Needs front bumper wrapping, mirrors wrapping, lowering, needs a few bits of bobs doing to it really. So we'll get around to that as soon as I can get that indoors and get it done somewhere, but it looks quite nice out in the daylight. That's it really. Okay.